Hey guys, so today I am going to be dyeing my hair. As you can see, I've actually already dyed it. I'm filming the intro after I have done everything. But if you'd like to see how I transformed my hair from blonde to dark brown, keep watching and I will show you guys what I did. Also, I just want to disclaim really quickly that I am in no way any sort of professional. I literally am probably the last person to be giving any sort of advice when it comes to hair and dyeing your hair and whatever else. I literally have no clue what I'm doing. I am just going to be using a box dye from the drugstore, and yeah, I just don't take this video too seriously. It's literally just for you guys to see how I changed my hair from blonde to dark, and hopefully if anybody out there is looking to do the same thing, maybe they learned something or they can, learn from my mistakes possibly. Also, I'd like to say that I have dyed my hair before using these box dyes, and I do know that there can be some consequences, including that it does fade, and I do run the risk of having green hair because I am going from a bleached blonde to a darker brown. So I already know, you don't have to comment, but I'm just gonna do it because I'm sick of the way, oh, well, I'm not sick of it now, but I was sick of my blonde hair and I really had nothing to lose, so I just decided to go for it and I'm happy with the results. So again, if you'd like to see how I switch my hair up, just keep on watching and we'll get right to it. Okay, hi guys, so this is the before. As you can see, my roots are pretty much my natural color, and then this is obviously all dyed. So we're just gonna get right into it, I guess. I've got my two boxes. I'm going to carefully read the instructions and get started. Looks like in the box we get our color cream, we get our instructions, which we definitely need those, and then the developer in the little bottle, and what is this? Oh, this is conditioner for afterwards, so that's nice, and this looks like some oil, like argan oil? What is this? Fruit oil concentrate. Oh, nice. And inside of the instructions, it has the gloves. Okay, so I'm going to start off by sectioning off my hair into probably like 4 sections. Let's see. I think what I'm going to do is just start by doing the bottoms, and then I'll do the top. And I'm also going to take my necklace off because I don't want to ruin that. So it also says to add this oil that they give you in with the developer and the color cream or whatever it is. So I'm going to do that. Now we shake it up. Okay, so while I'm shaking it up, I figured I'll show you guys what the color is supposed to turn out to be. So let's let it focus real quick. So that top one is probably more accurate. Obviously my hair is a lot lighter than that light brown color they're showing you. So I'm not quite sure how this is going to turn out, to be honest. But, I don't like the way it looks now, so I don't feel like it's going to be such a bad loss if I don't like how it turns out after anyways. So, we'll see. Okay guys, I'm finished mixing. Here goes nothing. So like, I've dyed my hair using these boxes before, but I've never been, like my hair has never been this light to begin with. So I have no clue what to really expect, but I do know that I really want to be careful with like making sure I get dye everywhere because I really don't want to have blonde patches. Alright, bottom half is pretty good. Now we're gonna start the top half. Alright guys, so I am officially done putting the dye in my hair. I tried to wipe off some of that dye that was on my skin. You can still kind of see it, but I'm not so worried about that. I know it goes away. Basically, I just have to keep this in for 25 minutes and then rinse it out with warm water, and then my hair should be the desired color. So I will see you guys when it's all rinsed out. Alright guys, so I just finished rinsing it out. Sorry, I'm topless right now. I had dye all over me. Yeah, so I mean, so far it looks decent. It looks about the color that the box said it would, but I am just going to let it air dry tonight, and then I will show you guys the finished results tomorrow when I'm a little bit more put together. I'll see you guys then. Okay, so this is the finished look. I actually really like how it turned out. I haven't seen any like blonde spots where I missed like places yet. I'm sure I'll end up finding some, but for the most part, I think it looks pretty good. I forgot what it was like to have dark hair, but you know what? I'm here for it. Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't like the most in-depth or detailed tutorial or whatever, but I just wanted to show you guys my little transformation here, and hopefully anybody who's thinking of dyeing their hair at home using box color, you know, maybe you took something out of this and you feel comfortable enough to do your own hair. Once again, I just want to say that I am absolutely not in any way qualified to be giving hair advice. Can my phone stop vibrating? Thanks. I'm in no way qualified to be giving any sort of hair tips or advice or whatever, but I just thought I'd document what I did, and if it works for me, maybe it'll work for you, but I can't say for sure. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your peeps, and whatever, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!